are here to assemble for assembly, virtual assembly, 7th standard, respected principal sir, vice principal sir, HM madam, music sir, Meenakshi madam, PT madam, myself, all are here. We are here for assembly. School, attention. School, stand at each. School, attention. Hold your hands. Close your eyes. Start prayer. असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Hands down. School, stand at each. School, attention. School, stand at each. Good morning, everybody. Now we are here for a speech to Sachin, Master Sachin.
Good morning, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, I am going to speak on the topic Corona, its symptoms, and its precautions we need to take. The whole world has come to a standstill, and the reason for it is Corona pandemic. It has spread all over the world and has killed many people, and yet many people are suffering from it. Its symptoms are fever, cold, cough, breathing problem, body pain, etc. The precautions we need to take are always use a face mask while going out. Always wash your hands with soap and water or use a hand sanitizer. Do not touch your eyes, nose, or mouth. Cover your face with handkerchief or a tissue while coughing or sneezing. Thank you.
Very good speech by Sachin. Now I'll call over here for news headlines. Shivani.
Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers, and my dear friends, a very warm good morning to all of you. Today's news headlines. National news. India's average daily COVID-19 cases declining for 5 weeks. Health Ministry. Amid simmering tensions between India and China along LAC in eastern Ladakh, Indian armed forces have devised a BR plan to tackle both China and Pakistan. State news. The BJP Tuesday announced former MLA Muniratna and Dr. Rajesh Gowda as its candidates for the by-election to the Sira and RR Nagar Assembly constituencies. Sports news. Chennai Super Kings pull off much-needed win, beat Sunrisers Hyderabad by 20 runs. Thank you.
Very good. Now I will request our Vice Principal Sir. Please, sir, introduce yourself to children and bless our ACS Kaiga students. Please, sir.
Good morning to all of you, respected
Good
Principal
morning,
Sir,
sir. Good morning, sir.
that
Good morning, sir.
Assembly Coordinator,
Good morning.
all the teachers, and my dear students. This is a good time, and I must say, I am meeting to all of you. Good time in that way, even then in this pandemic situation when you all are at your home, I am able to interact with you. Actually, your assembly, this is virtual assembly, it's a very good concept that we feel that students are still present in the school, even you are at your home. My dear students, I appreciate your efforts, you have done very well, and I hope you will be continuing this effort to continue this throughout the year. And We hope we will meet very soon. I appreciate all of you. You are staying at your home and you are managed in such a way. You are attending online classes, and I have seen the percentage of the attendance. Almost all of you are attending the classes. It's a overwhelming response from all of you. You are following the teacher's directions and you follow the instructions of the teacher. You are completing your exercises in due course of the time. And my dear, in this way, you have got one more lesson how to manage the life in such a different situation. And you know that CBSE is also stressing about the life skill, and this is one of the life skill you are learning, staying in the limited area. You are managing yourself in such a good way, and I hope you will be managing this in future also, because it may possible some more time you have to continue with these conditions, and after that we are hopeful that we'll meet and we'll be in the same track as it was before the pandemic. But one thing you must remember, that even our principal sir has also initiated that, and our prime minister has also told that जब तक दवाई नहीं तब तक ढिलाई नहीं. Okay, so therefore my dear students, even you are at home or sometime you venture out or you go somewhere else, you have started playing also, you be careful, you take care of your health, always wash your hand frequently, use sanitizer if possible, keep a small bottle of sanitizer with you, maintain proper social distancing, and don't forget to wear the what, you know that all of you, mask. Because sometimes I feel that some becomes very careless and casual, they do not wear the mask. Until and unless you get the medicine or remedy or vaccine for that, you don't forget to wear the mask whenever you go out of the home. Thank you very much for your very good efforts. Have a good day to all of you.
Now, our PET madam, Gina madam, going to give a yoga practicals. We will follow it, all of you. Clear to all? All of you are listening me?
Yes, sir.
Activities, pranayama activities. Our Gina madam, PET madam will give this yoga practice. Okay?
So straight, all of you. Can you hear me? You have to sit straight. You have to make it backbone straight and chin up, chest up. Chin up and chest up. Yes, open your videos. I want to see that whether you people are doing or not. Open your videos. Yes. So straight. So straight. Okay. Take. Yes. Open your cameras. Yes. Everyone. So straight. Backbone should be straight. And chin up, chest up. Take normal breathing. Breathe. Inhale it slowly. And exhale it. 3 times. Each and every asanas you have to repeat in the 3 times. Again, inhale it and exhale it. Again with the both nostrils. Again, inhale it and exhale it. Now you have to blow your right nose with the thumb finger. Okay? And inhale with left nose. Yes, students, blow your right nose. Again, close your right nose. And inhale with left nose. And blow your left nose with index finger. And exhale with right nose slowly. Okay. Again, inhale it with right nose. Inhale with left nose and exhale with right nose. Again, inhale with left nose and exhale with right nose. Now you have to change it. Now you have to blow your left nose with the index finger and inhale with right nose and exhale with left nose. Sanjana, do it properly. Again, inhale with right nose and exhale with left nose. The last repetition. Again, inhale with right nose and exhale with left nose. Okay. Sit straight, all of you. Don't bend your upper body. So straight, backbone, Jan. So straight. And close your, interlock your fingers and keep it in the stomach. And touch your stomach. And inhale with both nostrils. And you have to hold it sometime. I will count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after the fourth count only you have to exhale it. Okay, is it clear to you people? Inhale it both nostrils and hold it. Jayan, keep your hands on the stomach. Both hands on the stomach. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale it slowly. Again, inhale it. Take full oxygen to your stomach. Make it full. The stomach, lungs. And hold it sometime. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale it slowly. The last repetition. Inhale it with the both nostrils. And hold it sometime. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale it slowly. Okay, close your eyes, all of you. The camera, don't off it. After the yoga only you have to switch off the camera. Open the camera. Yes, close your eyes. Close your eyes and relax your body, mind. Relax. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. And relax your body, mind. And pray for your parents. And pray for yourself. And pray for teachers. And pray for whoever is related to your life. Pray for them. And relax. Relax your body, mind. Relax. Open your eyes and rub your palm. Rub your palm. Open your eyes, children, rub your palm. Everyone, Jayan. Agil, rub your palm. And touch your eyes and face. Again, one more time, rub your palm. Touch your eyes and face. Okay, children, thank you. I will hand over the mic to the Deshpande sir.
Okay. Soul, attention. Soul, stand at ease. Soul, attention. Soul, assembly, disperse. Thank you. Thank you very much.